recomendación, salir con tranquilidad. Atención. Tras estas recomendaciones, queremos saber...
Marta.
Espera. Estamos aquí quedando.
Just a castaway, an island lost at sea. Another lonely day, with no one here but me. Oh, more loneliness than any man could bear. Rescue me before I fall into despair. Oh, I'll stand there, that's so as we were. I hope that someone gets gets my message in a bottle. Sophia! I wrote you, I look into my heart, I tried to lay upon my soul. Pour out my heart, I find your name. I look into my heart. Upon your wall, I'm no second flat.